What is one condiment that you use all the time in the house that you buy at the store and you could just make it at home? Today, we are doing just that. We are making French style mayonnaise. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. If this is your first time tuning in, let us know you're out there by giving us a big thumbs up below and then hit that subscribe button to make sure you never miss a video. Now, let's start cooking. Believe it or not, most people in France still make their own mayonnaise at home just because it's so simple. So let's talk about it today. There's just a few ingredients. We are going to use 1 egg yolk made from a garden fresh egg. We don't need the white, we're just using the yolk. And our other ingredients include just a little bit of Dijon mustard, and pretty much put about 3/4 of the size of the egg yolk that you're using in there for the mustard. We're going to use a pinch of salt, just a pinch, and just a little pinch of black pepper. And now I'm just going to add a couple of drops of our vinegar. And that was probably a half a teaspoon, something like that. And so mayonnaise is really just an emulsion. An emulsion is something that, two things that are combined together that don't normally mix together. So that's what we're doing today. We're mixing oil and egg yolk. And the mustard helps that emulsion to form. So to get started with this, we're just going to whisk our egg around a little bit. And you can certainly do this in a mixer or a food processor, but we're just using 1 egg yolk today, so it's a really simple process just to use your whisk. So we just want to get everything kind of mixed in, and the key to this is really just to start out very, very slowly. Now we are using a very neutral flavored oil. We are using grapeseed oil, and that's what you want to use, is something that's neutral flavored, like any kind of ground nut oil or avocado oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, but we are using grapeseed oil. And so the critical point in making mayonnaise is the first 30 seconds. When you first start putting your oil in, you want to go very slowly so that it starts the emulsion forming. If you go too quickly, it'll break and the emulsion will not form. Once you see it kind of coming together, then you can just continue whisking. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? We're just going to continue whisking. And now you can see it's kind of coming together, making a nice creamy sauce, nice light yellow color. And now we can start drizzling our oil in more of a steady stream. Just like that. And just continue to mix it in. We're using 1 egg yolk today, and I've got about 150 milliliters of oil. So that can be your guide, about 3/4 of a cup of oil for 1 egg yolk. And you just keep mixing this, and it starts forming a beautiful emulsion. Nice, thick, and creamy. And then you can just put the rest of your oil in. You do want to continue to mix. And there you have it. Okay, beautiful mayonnaise. And let's give it a taste. Look at that. Look how nice and creamy. Beautiful texture. It's wonderful. I'm going to add just a touch of salt to that. And now if you feel like you want a little bit more acid, you can always add a squeeze of lemon or just a little bit more of your vinegar to that. So we'll do that. Get those mixed in. You know, once you've made your emulsion, it's formed and you should be good to go. Let's look at one more taste. That is absolutely perfect. So let's get it served up. Look at that. Okay, so for your next cocktail party, for dipping your French fries in or just for use at the table, make your own mayonnaise. Look how fast and simple it is, and you didn't spend a ton of money. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, give us a thumbs up below and hit that subscribe button, it's free. And ring the bell if you want to be notified as soon as we release a new video. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any special recipe requests. We really appreciate you tuning in. See you next time.